In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Renaissance scan filter on Instagram. Okay, so once you've gone ahead and loaded up Instagram, what you want to do is tap on the little magnifying glass icon at the bottom next to the home button to go to the discover page. Then you want to tap on the search bar, and then in the search bar, you want to search for this account right here. And I'll leave this account linked up in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on it. And then you want to tap on the effects icon next to the IGTV button underneath the story highlights. That is going to load up all of his filters, and then you just want to scroll down and then you can see the first one there is the Renaissance scan filter. Go ahead and tap on that and you can see the filter in action. So when you go ahead and hold the record button, you get that cool background effect with that scanner coming down. So what you can do from this page is tap on the download button to save it to your Snapchat camera for future use, or you can go ahead and try it from this screen, record your video and then upload it to your Instagram. So that is how you get the Renaissance scan filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.